Okay everybody, I'm going to do a video on making custom headliners for the Jeep Freedom panels. What I did is I got a giant roll of this paper, so I took some, laid it in here, like so, and then I took and pushed my finger really hard around this seam right here, and it just made a crease all the way around it. And I took it out and I cut it on that crease. Okay, I got the template cut. And it's going to fit right in this inside edge. Right there. Okay, here's the passenger Freedom panel, and it's identical on the inside, at least where the template is going, as the driver's side. So I'm going to transfer this template to a piece of hardboard. All right, there it is, traced out. I'm gonna go out with a jigsaw now and cut it out and then sand off the corners. Okay, they're ready for the speaker carpet. Okay guys, here I measured 1.5 inches on the carpet, roughly around the template. And I'll do the same, only opposite for the other one. Okay, here's both of them. The carpet drawn out, opposite directions. I'll get the carpet cut. I got this on Amazon. I'll try to send a link. It's got the sticky back already on it, so we don't have to glue it or use any kind of contact cement. I'm hoping it works good. Okay, there it is. Get it over to the light. You basically just fold it around, make some cuts until you get your corners wrapped around. I just used an X-Acto blade. And then I'm going to put some 3M tape on it. And I'll show you that. Okay, here's how I ran the tape. If that will focus. It's a 3M tape. It's pretty thick. It should be super sticky. Alright, I'm going to stick it on there and see how it goes. Okay, there's the other one done. I'll install them in the Jeep and show you what they look like. Okay, here's how they look in the Jeep. Okay, hey, thanks for watching the video on DIY headliners in the Jeep. I think they're going to hold up there fine. I think they're going to stick really well. That 3M tape is nice stuff. I'll put a link to the speaker carpet that I used that had the sticky back and the 3M tape. And again, the hardboard is just an 1/8 inch thick hardboard. It's the same material that the pegboard's made out of. But hope you found the video interesting. If you would, throw it a like and subscribe and share. Thanks, appreciate it.